Woo! Hey everyone, this is Jared from Daily Crypto Chasing. Is coming to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be live. We're going to be talking about Dogecoin Bitcoin, latest breaking news. Is this bad, guys? What is going on with Bitcoin? What's going on with Dogecoin? And what is happening with Binance? Is Binance about to implode? Is the biggest exchange on planet Earth for cryptocurrency about to implode? And is it out of there? So we're going to demystify that. We're going to be talking about that, and we're going to be talking about why we had the sudden dump yesterday of Bitcoin. So let's jump into the content without any further delay. Remember, none of this is financial advice, and I would advise you to show the algorithm that you're a human being and you've got to smash the likes, guys. Remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just the OG expressing my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, guys. So let's jump into content. Just to bring this to your attention, don't forget to go back and watch all the other videos, and I would urge all of you to become a member. It's very easy. Go to the YouTube channel page and hit membership, guys, and we've got access to a free WhatsApp community out there where you can share your thoughts, your tips and tricks, and get some opinions out there. So guys, do that, and if you do become a member, DM me on Twitter, tell me what your handle is, what you joined, or what your membership is, and we'll get that link to you, guys. So it's great, it's fantastic. So what can we look forward to next week in terms of announcements that could affect you and cryptocurrency? Nothing really big is happening out there. We got CPI happening on the 12th, so that is going to be big, guys. So expect that most of the volumes are going to be pretty cool, cooling off for most of the broader markets. Also, keep in mind that Wednesdays are often a reversal day. Dogecoin, Bitcoin, breaking news. Is this bad? Is this bad, guys? So we're going to be talking about that. Buckle up, guys, and don't forget Dogecoin 111. You know what that's all about. So it is Saturday here in Asia, and I'm off to the grindy grind in about 2 hours from now. So that's going to be interesting out there. So still making the videos, and guys, we're definitely in a bull run. So that is good, guys and gals and amoebas, cats and dogs out there. So Bitcoin is coming back a little bit. You know, it did have a big collapse yesterday. We're going to be talking about that. We are seeing that Ethereum is also collapsed down between $1,900. But overall, we're seeing that most of crypto markets are looking pretty positive, pretty lovely, jubbly out there. Let's dive into the total market cap out there and see what's going on. We're seeing that the market cap is at 1.01. Up 1.01%. That is good. At least it's not a negative day. But keep in mind that Wednesdays is a reversal day. Wednesdays is a witching day, and you know, often we're going to see some volatility on Wednesdays. So that's why you know, the OG, what I do is I tend not to trade on Wednesdays because there's a lot of volatility out there. So what's trending in terms of top cryptocurrencies? Bitcoin, Pepe, and whatever that is. Interesting. More meme-malicious coins out there. We're seeing the Bitcoin dominance slowly grinding its way back up to 50%, so that's pretty good. In case you're wondering what Bitcoin dominance is, it means that 49.9% of the total crypto market is held by Bitcoin. Let that sink in. 49.9% is held by Bitcoin. So that means that everything other than Bitcoin is an altcoin, including Ethereum, King Daddy Ethereum, and the dominance for Ethereum is 19%. So you can see that Bitcoin and Ethereum make up a very large part of almost 70% out there of the total cryptocurrency market cap, which is now at 1.8 trillion, 1.18 trillion. So hopefully we can get back up to 1.2. Hopefully we can get back up to 2 trillion. But things overall, we're seeing that overall in the last 7 days we're down. Things are just kind of consolidating. I'm going to tell you, you know, Bitcoin breaking news. Dogecoin breaking news. Is this bad? We're going to be talking about that. Dogecoin, funnily enough, is up a little bit. Cardano is up as well. Don't sleep on Cardano. Don't sleep on XRP. XRP could go as high as $3 in 2024. Absolutely. But Dogecoin is holding its own. Solana is doing very well, 7.46%, up 13% in the last week. Pretty much a comeback kid out there. So that is good. Polymatic is doing okay. The top layer 1, layer 2 solutions are doing okay. Shiba Inu is like, I don't know what's going on with the SHIB. It's just been losing ground in terms of its position on the total market cap. And that's not good, guys. Not good at all. Fear and greed wise, we're better than yesterday. However, we're still nowhere in extreme greed yet. So kind of good. we got right now 18 hours, 18 days, 16 hours for the next rate hike, and 92% are forecasting that we're definitely going to be having at least a 25 basis point rate hike. I don't think it's going to have any impact. It's kind of baked in, so I wouldn't worry about it. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about freaking Bitcoin. So yesterday, we did see a pretty sharp dump. We did see a high yesterday of around about 31,464. So hopefully you are able to buy here at 29,627 and sell here. So you'd make a nice healthy little bit of el profiteo here. So if you'd have bought here and you sold at the top here, you'd have made about 6%. So that's not too shabby. But you know, I don't advise swing trading unless you're very much a seasoned trader, and I do not advise that you do any leverage trading. Even if you are seasoned, don't do it. So why did we see Bitcoin kind of just have a bit of a dumpski yesterday? We had a small recovery, but you can see here, this blue box here, the bottom of the blue box around about 30,300 is pretty much a good support level, and we are seeing that happening. Could Bitcoin fall down to 29,300? Definitely it could. I'm going to show you why. But one of the big reasons we had this happening is because Binance plunges into crisis. Senior execs quit over CZ's response to Justice Department investigation. So as you know, the Justice, SEC, everybody's going after Binance out there. A lot of this has been fun, but some people have quit. Binance senior execs quit over CZ's response to DOJ investigation. That's according to Fortune. Senior figures include General Counsel, Chief Strategy Office Patrick Hillman, and Senior Vice President of Compliance as well, Christy out there. So they all told Zhao that they're leaving the company, so they're running a little bit scared. But you know, quite frankly, you know, a lot of people are worried, like, what does this all mean? What does this all mean for cryptocurrency? What does this all mean for Binance? Is this bad for Binance? Is Binance going to collapse? Is it going to disappear? No, I don't think so, because remember, this is only the Department of Justice in the US of A, so all of the subsidiaries out there are just fine. Anything that's outside of the US, it's not coming under the DOJ or SEC purview, so I wouldn't worry about it. A lot of these people are running scared, and they're quitting because, you know, basically they're covering their butts. CYA, right? Cover your ass. That's what they're doing. They're covering their butts right now because they don't want to have any egg on their face. Well, you know, I gotta say, all those people that did quit, so much for their loyalty and integrity. I mean, you know, the guy feeds you, the guy pays you, and any sign of trouble, you're bailing, you're jumping ship. That's not me. The OG, I would have stuck with CZ out there, you know, because basically this is a bit of a witch hunt out there for crypto. They don't like crypto in the US of A, and it's all because of the CBDC. They don't want anything to interfere with the CBDC. So that's what's going on. So like I said, you know, we've got lots. And also too, people are spreading FUD. People are spreading FUD. Top Binance execs leave company over CZ's handling of Dow Jones investigation. So yeah, they just don't like it. This is Patrick Hillman. He did apologize, saying that he's leaving. He still respects and supports CZ. So why did you leave, Snowflake? Anyways, it's a lot of fun, and that is why yesterday, the day before yesterday, that's why we did see this sudden drop in Bitcoin price. So I absolutely, you know, with this FUD being spread and recirculated, created some panic and fear, particularly for the retail investors out there. So it gave the whales a good opportunity, a good chance to pick up some cheap itty bitty baby out there. So I'm not too worried. You know, we're still in this blue box zone. We got some mean resistance around about $32,000. But once we break past this $32,000 to hit the 32,500 is easy. And you know, like I said, we've got this huge bull flag that's just been forming, been kind of consolidating out there. I wouldn't worry about it too much. I'm not concerned out there. You know, this is from Crypto Con, and he's also saying previously I would have said that Bitcoin could only see bull run parabola after the halving, but data keeps telling me something different. Okay, the same trigger for every bull run, a parabola just flash. So what he's trying to say is that, you know, normal cycles, we see the bull run happening after the halving. But we are seeing that on the technical perspective, that we are seeing that a very important indicator has just flashed again, and that is flashing before the bull run, before the halving, indicating that we might continue to go up despite all the FUD, guys. So buckle up, strap on. Don't be weak Nancy's. Don't wet the bed. Don't run for the hills. That's all I gotta say. This is from Trader Tardigrade, and rectangular consolidation is happening here. We saw it here. We're seeing it here now. Is very common in an uptrend. So that's what we're seeing right now. We're seeing a nice consolidation out there. That is healthy. That is normal. This is also good to shake out some of the paper hands as well. It forms equal highs, lows, with sometimes false breaks along the edges of the range. Bitcoin is likely forming this pattern before it continues an uptrend. So guys, expect some sideways chop, expect some lower lows as well. I wouldn't worry about that. It's just part of the cycle. It's part of what's going on out there. Culminated with some fun. Can't even speak English right now. You know, it's just a little bit of manipulation, guys. So watch out for Wednesday. Watch out for Wednesday. It's from Willy Woo. Looks like the mean revision forces now dominating Bitcoin price action. Sideways or down is easier than out. So if you look at the fundamental strength indicator, he's indicating that we need a phase of cool down to reset things. So expect some cooling down, expect some lower lows, expect things to kind of go down a little bit, but then we will definitely reverse the upside. So according to Titan Crypto, bull market is on. The bull market has started. I know it might seem a bold statement, particularly during this scammy period, but the bear market is over, and I believe that. The bear market is absolutely over. Like I said, sideways consolidation, some chippity-choppity, chop. But overall, guys, so far this year has been fundamentally fantastic. So far, July is down only 0.5%. I think for July overall, we should be positive. I think positive. I think we'll mimic something that's pretty close to April out there. So that's what I'm thinking. But so far, things are looking pretty good. Also, some good news. Looks like Justin, Bank of America, praises Ripple for its impact on cross-border payments. So that's positive. Don't sleep on Ripple, guys. Not financial advice. Justin, looks like presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy Jr. owes up to $250,000 in Bitcoin. So he's a Bitcoin maxi, and this is financial records reveal, and this is not fun. This is a fact. Candidates need to reveal that kind of stuff, and he has, and he is a Bitcoin maxi, and he's into crypto space. So remember, you know, we're seeing that you know, there's more scrutiny on crypto right now in the U.S., and you know, they want to regulate it, and that is to counteract any threat to the CBDC that's coming out. So that's what that's all about. You know, the current administration will be over soon, and hopefully we'll get some changes that are positive. Either way, up or down, whatever. So if you take a look at the Bitcoin structure that we're seeing right now, we're seeing lower highs right now. Traders should know, trend sideways, observation, false breakout at previous week, monthly high. New lower low approaching previous week's low. The strategy is buy low, sell high with range 29 to 31.4. So what they're saying is you can put leverage buy orders in, not leverage, but ladder buy orders at 29.5, sell at 31.4. So that's kind of like the range that you should be shooting for, particularly this week. So anything between 29.5 and a sell 31.4. So that's what they're recommending. That's what Trader Tardigrade is recommending. I kind of believe that. But the good news is you can see that the Bitcoin balance held on exchanges continues to hemorrhage. And it's getting scarcer. It's getting lower. And, you know, we have not seen this. You know, low amount of Bitcoin on exchanges. We've not seen this in the past 1,939 days, and that was March 14, 2018. So take that with take it for what it's worth. But the facts are, the data don't lie. That the amount of Bitcoin is lower and lower and lower. So lovely jubbly, guys. Let's say what's going on with a Dogecoin right now. So Dogecoin, it's forming a nice uptrend right now. So we had this kind of like double top, inverse W pattern here, a bit of a false breakout here, and but we're retesting. And you know, I think that what we're going to probably see is if this holds, we should see a reversal to the upside. If not, then we're going to see 0.6 cents coming in. So just hold the phone, guys. Hold the phone. Don't panic. panic out there. What's going on in terms of Dogecoin is up 0.44%, 65.35. I love it. I love it. We're seeing market cap is positive right now as well, but the volumes are light. Well, it's a weekend. People have better things to do than trade, guys, right now. So we are seeing that Dogecoin journey to all-time highs, a millionaire maker in the making. So I still believe that Dogecoin will make a comeback. I think that in October, we're going to see Dogecoin probably pretty close to 10 cents. That's what I'm thinking. We should see Bitcoin, between $35,000 and $40,000. We should see Ethereum between $2,000 and $2,800. I think that's what's coming. So I'm pretty positive about that out there. And Dogecoin is looking pretty good. We've seen Dogecoin is on a mini run regarding regaining the 7 cent level for the first time in 4 weeks. That just happened, right? But the other thing, we're seeing that the social sentiment for Dogecoin is not positive right now. A lot of people are kind of ignoring the Dogecoin right now. So guys, we can see that social mentions are up 26%, social engagements are down. So this is what's alarming, the engagements. The mentions are up, but people are not engaging, guys. So that is not good news out there. And we can see that, right now, if we take a look at where Dogecoin is, we're seeing Dogecoin still in the 8th spot, guys. So, we need Dogecoin to be like in the top 5. We're still seeing that the peppy, get some pep in your step with the peppy out there is also still in the top spot, guys. So we're seeing, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, and then we have all these meme coins, Pep, Floki, Shiba Inu out there. Polygon Matic, surprisingly, is also looking pretty positive out there. What's going on for SHIB right now? The Shiba Weeby has an inverse W pattern as well. It's bounced off this support level of 703. What's it gonna do? Well, I think we could see a bit of a retest to this level and then fall back down. I think we're seeing a little bit of a zigzag pattern happening for the Shiba Inu out there. Let's take a look what fundamentally is driving Shiba Inu right now. It's up 2.35%. Not too bad considering everything is down, but overall the volumes are light. The market cap is only up. We're not where we used to be, right? Shiba Inu used to be in the top 10. Now it's basically in the top 20. So something's happening. Something not good is happening. The bad news is if you're a Shiba Inu holder, the amount of holders in the money is not looking good. Only 9%, which is an improvement. But we're seeing that the indicators are mainly bullish. We got some more news regarding Shibarium out there. So hopefully SHIB can giddy on up out there. We're seeing, stuff about Floki, XRP, Floki, Shibarium launch date confirmed. SHIB lead Satoshi Kusama has fingers crossed for Elon Musk. BlackRock CEO says BTC is the new crypto, guys. So looks like we're getting closer to the Shibarium out there. But I think a lot of people are kind of buy the news, sell the buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing is happening. So I don't think it's going to have much of an impact out there when it comes to that, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a closey woozy. Don't forget to go follow me on my Twitter. I appreciate it, guys. We got 7,841 followers. Go and follow, go and share this video, guys. Don't forget to thumbs up, smash the likes. I appreciate it. And guys, don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Get the freaking merch and be well, be blessed. I'll see you in the next one. You know it, I know it. Let's get it. Peace out.